My name is Ivana Tilešová and I currently graduated with a master's degree from Academy of Fine Arts and Design in Bratislava, Slovakia. My field of study was applied art with specialization in metal and jewelry. So let me introduce you my final thesis called Identity. The idea of this concept came to me naturally during COVID period when my school was closed, so I had to work and create at home. Because of that, I didn't have all of the equipment or space, so I tried to get the best of the situation and use something that is so natural to me, my body. I created short, funny videos using my body and my tattoos. This was the first step of analyzing my identity through my body. I consider human body as our archive, which preserve all our memories and our life experiences are written on it. Creating and forming our identity is a long life process. My diploma work consists of complex installation of a jewelry collection, video projection, and pictures with written stories, so I really like to push my work to be multimedia. I am exploring what the jewelry means to me, and I am finding parallels between human body and the jewelry. Body as well as jewelry fulfills social, culture, historical, decorative, communicative, and many other functions. That is why I consider human body a jewel. I offer you my definition of what a jewelry actually is. I consider jewelry to be something that we choose to decorate ourselves with, such as tattoo, something that life has decorated us with, for example a scar, and something that we were born with and were given, such as birthmark. What binds all these traits together is the story, our memory, which is tied to them. This gives the given features meaning, either for us or for someone around us. There lies the focus of our identity formation. In my jewelry collection, I use photographs that show fragments of my body. I bring to the surface what is hidden under the clothes. The photography on the jewelry is in a scale 1:1 to my body and are installed at a realistic height. The construction works as a skeleton of my body with indicated proportions. Thanks to these jewels, I bring to the surface the stories that accompany these features. I bare myself to the world and reveal my memories. I decorate the jewelry with floral embossing. I literally scar my jewelry with flowers, just like I do with my body with tattoos. I complete my body with what I subconsciously consider to be beautiful and an arbitrary feature which thus becomes characteristic for me.